If we come in from the ridge, we stay out of their line of sight until the last turn. Drop here, then push east.
That puts us at 400 meters from the battery. Good angle for the guns.
As long as winds hold steady. LZ Bravo is your mark.
Copy that.
Sweep updated. Still holding the contact at 8 miles.
Copy. Maintain track. Let me know the moment it changes course.
Tracking center group.
Copy. High bear climbing, low bear braking left.
Holding them. Range 750. Entering.
Splashing close at just 2 mils high.
Adjusted. Another burst.
Scattering. Cease.
Ceasing. Barrel hot.
Red icons are pushing north.
Blue convoys ahead of schedule.
If they cut the ridge here, the whole sector's exposed.
Then we hold them. Get the guns ready.
Artillery set for grid 2-4, elevation 9-1.
Copy. Calibrating.
Calibration complete. Battery standing by.
Ukrainian operators vanished into 3 bunkers spaced 500 meters apart. That distance, calculated and rehearsed, keeps a single 152mm shell from claiming them all at once. Inside, the teams check maps, radios, and weapons, each position.
Incoming! Bunker in sight, 30 meters! Go, go, go! Second team inside, checking field of fire! 4 rounds landing north ridge, they're walking them in.
Maintain spacing. Copy. Tracking. Impact north 120 meters from A. Close hit 40 meters. Keep moving. New burst between bunkers 85 meters from B.
Visual on the plume. She's venting hard.
Copy that. Tracking the third car back.
Numbers red. Charlie 18947. Stencil below Hotel 22.
Target confirmed. Hold steady for tag.
Locked and stable. Ready on your call.
Control, this is Echo Bunker. 3 eyes down, only fiber feed live, awaiting instructions.
Jamming's climbing a lot of noise on upper right. Target D18 just dropped.
Copy. Confirm remaining contacts.
D31 and 51 are fading. Yeah, they're gone. 9 tracks still solid, unaffected.
Stable SNR on the rest?
Clean and steady. SNR above 40. Looks like they're cutting through the jam.
Так, что это у нас? Сигнал прыгает, частота нестабильна, центр, прием.
Слышу. Что видишь?
Водопад забит. Похоже, кто-то нас давит, но странно.
Copy Raven 2. Thermal returns are degraded across the board. Maintain visual fallback if possible.
Roger. Switching to optics, but visibility is near 0. Continuing to mark position.
One gunner, higher group or the runners?
Come on, think. Closest first, engaging, target scattered, holding fire.
Copy. Track the ridge when ready. Checking.
Switching to electro-optical. Feet up. Target in sight. Manual track engaged. Holding crosshairs. Steady. Range 2400. Closing. Ready on guns.
checkpoint 9, BTR-82 Alpha. Do you copy? Over. Panzer, come in. We're seeing movement on the thermal. Do you read? Over.
Nothing, just static.
Try again. Damn it.
Radio waves leave the tower and spread through open air. Along the way, they scatter, bend, and pick up noise until the pattern becomes distorted. Inside a fiber optic cable, information rides on pulses of light. Each pulse is confined and steered by the glass, protected from outside interference. The result is
Come on, need more power. The rail's slick, keep your feet under you. What is that up there? Dots? Flock, maybe? Not slowing, not now. Come on, girl. Wheels are slipping, stay with me, they're birds. Move! That's it, clear the rail, clear it. Easy, easy, hold 39, that's better.
Keep him off my back! 30 meters out, closing fast!
Pin's free! Cars are splitting!
Drones at 20, get ready!